Welcome to Edwise TV learning channel. In this tutorial, we are going to be solving a little problem and the question says, a car moves from rest with an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second. Find its velocity when it has moved a distance of 50 meters. To solve this problem, you have to bring out the equation for solving this problem. And the equation we use for this problem is from third equation of motion, which involve u, a, s, and v. Putting these together, we have initial velocity, acceleration due to gravity, distance, and velocity itself. So, putting this together, we have your v square, which is equal to u square plus 2as. Having this equation, we substitute the value, each of this value into this equation, where we have our initial velocity, which is initial velocity u squared, to be 0.0 meter per second. We have our a, which is acceleration due to gravity, 0.2 meter per second square. And we have distance, which is s, which is equal to 50 meter. Then we have v, which is the velocity itself, unknown. And we are asked to find the velocity of which the body moves. To find this, the final velocity v, we are asked to find the final velocity v. Then we substitute the value, each of this value, into this, where we have making v the subject of the formula. We have 0 square plus 2 times 0.2 times 50. Each of these values are being substituted into this. Therefore, we have our v squared to be equal to 0 multiplied by 20. Because if you multiply 2 multiplied by 0.2 times 50 to give you 20, and our initial velocity, you multiply the initial velocity, 0 raised to the power 2 is still 0. Then this 0 multiplied by 20 you got from here, which will give us v squared now will be equal to 20. 0 multiplied by 20 is still 20. Therefore, to get the final velocity v, which will be equals to the root of 20, the square root of 20. Now, if you press your calculator to get the root of 20, we have v, which is equivalent to 4.47 meter per second. And here is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe. See you in our next tutorial.